One thing I remember is as a kid is when Grandma Celia was dying, my father was traveling. He did a lot of traveling in his work anyway. You know, he was always tired, but he was up there every weekend and so on. And so he had great love for her. And then Esther told me at some point that when she visited her mother's, my grandmother Celia, and she was really toward the end and so on, and she was showing sadness, and I don't know if she was crying or showing sadness, and this also sticks in my mind. Grandma Celia said, "Don't cry for me. I have more life in my little finger than all my kids put together."